Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create a kissing video like this. This is really good, and this is trending topic on India. If you want to create this type of video using free method, this video for you. First, I'm using Canva for creating this image. You can use any photo editing tool for creating this type of image. First of all, so if you have your own face, this is good, but I need to download this photo right now. Click on download, then select your design. Okay, then click on download. Okay, it's already working, downloading. Then I'm going on helio.io. So this link I will attach in my video description for easy access. When you click, you are redirected to this website. You need to log in here with your Gmail. Here are when you create a account, you got every day 100 credits. I hope it's enough for you for creating this type of image. If I playing on, it's realistic. Maybe this one. Here are lots of huge photo and video available, and everything are really fantastic and realistic. Then you need to click on create, then just input your image right here. Okay, it's already uploading. Then you need to click on write kiss each others and hug with happy mood. You can write anything here. If you want to write maybe only hug, and then these two person hug each others. So just click on this maybe 13 icon, and when you create a design you need only 30 credits, and I have only 70 credits have right now, and I also create two design right now using this account. So you can see there are still 13,000 people are expected to waiting 255 minutes. I need to wait for this result. Wow, you can see this video are really gorgeous. So if you want to create this type of video using this method, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. And if you have any questions for this video, for kinds of video you want to I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.